Today I will talk about market basket analysis and I will give you an example from a clinical laboratory management, and this is part of my series of lectures on marketing. So there are various terms in market basket analysis. One of the term is support. So support is a measure that gives an idea of how frequent an item is in all the transactions. Support A is equal to frequency of item A divided by total transactions, or in other words, it is equal to probability of A. Since support is a probability, so it ranges from 0 to 1. Next term is confidence. Confidence measures the likelihood of items given the shopping cart already has other item. So confidence A and B is equal to support A, B divided by support A, which is equal to condition probability of item B, so that item A has already been purchased in the cart. So confidence range from 0 to 1 because it is also a probability. It is a condition probability. Since this is a condition probability, so confidence A to B is not equal to confidence B to A. Third term is lift. So lift controls for support while calculating the conditional probability of occurrence of B given A. So lift A to B is equal to confidence A to B divided by support B, or it is also equal to support A B divided by support A multiplied by support B. Lift ranges from 0 to infinity, and since this is the formula for lift, so lift A to B is equal to lift B to A. Now let us see the role of market basket analysis in a clinical laboratory management. The market basket is also known as panel of tests. Tests are grouped according to disease or symptoms. For example, fever panel, diabetes panel, anemia panel. Tests are also grouped according to organ system. For example, liver function test, kidney function test. So this grouping is known as panel of test. The other reason for test grouping is tests are grouped because they are together analyzed by an analyzer. For example, complete blood count. It has many parameters which are together analyzed. So it is a panel. And then other example is arterial blood gas analysis. It has many parameters in this. Then use of market basket analysis. We can also identify the market basket for panel of test to identify relations like ordering together test items like vitamin D and vitamin B12. So, suitable discounts may be offered for panel of tests instead of individual tests to increase revenue and to optimally utilize the results of analyzers which are together produced. So, these are the two reasons for the panel of tests. Let us see Python codes for market basket analysis. So I will use in my Python code these packages. One is pandas for data frame handling. The other is ML extend frequent patterns. We will import a priori and association rules from package ML extend frequent patterns. So first of all, we load the data set in the memory. This is our data set of a clinical laboratory data. Then we can identify the common test using the formula value count of pandas package. So TLC and hemoglobin and Vidal, ESR and CRP, these are commoner tests in our database. Then first of all, we will have to build a cross tabulation of customers and tests. So this is the code for the cross tabulation. Then we adjust for more than two tests per customer. This is useful for actual market basket analysis when a customer purchase same item twice or more. So we have to take care of that. Then this is the coding for a priori. So we get different item sets and their frequency. This is the coding. So we have TLC with support of zero point 0.4, HB with support of 0.36, HB and TLC combination with support of 0.27. So this is in actually in ascending order, descending order. We have sorted it. Since this is a data frame, we can use sort values. Then these are the association rules. So this is the association rule. These are various columns. It is actually a data frame. The result is a data frame with these columns. It has columns like antecedent support, consequent support. So this is antecedent, this is consequent, and the combination support and confidence lift, and also others. So we need to arrange it in a descending order. So this is the formula for arranging. So we can see that the combination of HB TLC, TLC HB, DLC HB, these are the combinations which are frequently associated. Hence, from this database, we can conclude that a combination of HB, TLC, DLC can be a good panel to be considered. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.